Hello beautiful, my name is Joany and welcome to my channel. In this week video, it's going to be all about, again, working on the hip accent. So we're going to focus on the glutes, which is the biggest muscle in your body, and it's going to help you to accentuate those hips. So work those muscles. So it's going to be more on going on the hip drops. So we did the lift the week before, and so it's going to be part of the series on how to work those glutes and make them work for you, so you could look better on the dance floor as you belly dance. Not just with belly dancing, but there's also other like Latin dance this could help you a lot with too. Now get into something comfortable and let's dance. Deep breath in up. Breathe out, and as you breathe out, let the arms just drop on the shoulder blades, lift the sternum up, relax the pelvis. Good, and let's put our weight on the arch. Okay, hip drops. When you do your hip drops, you're always focusing on the opposite glute. Okay, so you're gonna bring that right hip, you're gonna flex the right knee, and then contract that right glute. Let's follow that Baladi rhythm. You ready? And boom, boom, boom. So obviously this one lifts, but you want to focus on that drop. Flex that right knee. Now switch. You're going to flex your left knee, glute contraction on the right. This takes a little bit more thinking. You got to get connected here. And boom, boom. Now the hip drops is more Egyptian style. The other ones that we did, the hip lifts last week, they're more Turkish, Lebanese. Egyptians, Egyptian belly dancer mostly do the hip drops on the doom. Now switch. Contract here, drop this one. Use the knee though. Don't forget to contract. Drop, drop, lift, drop. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Oh, sorry, I changed. Keep to the right. The music again is going to speed up eventually. Now switch. Right? Left. So you're dropping on the dooms. Switch. Speed change. Switch. Now let's go into a hip drop classical pose. All right, so here, lift. If this is lock, it's going to be hard. So if it's a bit soft, you're going to be able to add some contraction. Okay, so if your knee is locked, it's really hard to do contraction because now you're going to overtax your hips. So soften your knee, boom, boom, boom. Lift, drop, drop, lift, drop, lift, drop, drop, lift, drop, lift, drop, drop, lift, drop, lift. Switch. All right. And start with the lift and get ready with the drop. Soft knees here, little flexed, and drop, drop, lift, drop, lift, drop, drop, lift, drop, lift. So we're not just doing those glute contraction, but we'll also try to memorize that rhythm, the Baladi rhythm. It's a 4-4 rhythm. 2 dooms on the 1 and 1 doom on the 3, and then tack tack on 2 and 4. Let's do this, and we're going to do 2 on this, 2 4-4s. We go doom doom tack, doom tack. Last one, doom doom tack, doom switch. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 switch. Drop drop lift, drop lift, drop drop lift, drop switch. Switch. So I'm still doing on the opposite, the squeeze, release, and squeeze, release. All right, we're going a bit faster. You ready? And squeeze, squeeze, release, squeeze, release. But you're going drop, drop, lift, drop, lift. One. Last one here. Drop, drop, lift, drop, lift, drop, drop, lift, drop, lift. Now drop, drop, lift, drop, lift, drop, drop, lift, drop, lift, drop, drop, lift, drop, lift, drop, drop, lift. Switch to the right. Switch. 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 Don't forget to flex that knee. Switch. Drop, drop, lift, drop, lift, drop, drop, lift, drop, switch. Drop, drop, lift, drop, lift, drop, drop, lift, drop, switch. Switch. Again, this is all drills. And switch. Drop, drop, lift, drop, lift, drop, drop, lift, drop, switch. 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 Now let's go classical. Drop, drop, lift, drop, lift, drop, drop, lift, drop, switch. Drop, drop, lift, drop, lift, drop, drop, lift, drop, 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 lift, drop, lift, drop, drop, lift, drop, switch. Drop, drop, lift, drop, lift, drop, drop, lift, drop, lift, drop, drop, lift, drop, lift, drop, drop, lift, drop, switch. Drop, drop, lift, drop, lift, drop, drop, lift, drop, lift. And switch. I'm still working that right glute, left glute, right hip goes down as I contract. Switch. Now right glute contract, contract, release, contract, release. I can't talk and go that fast. Just follow my hands. Switch. Switch. Now, bring it down. Switch. Drop, drop, lift, drop, switch. Drop, drop, lift, drop, lift. Drop, drop, lift, drop, switch. Drop, drop, lift, drop. To the left, to the right. Switch. Add a little twist here. Left, drops, then right, drop. going back. Drop, drop. Whoa, okay, hold on. Let's go into a classical. This is faster. 5, 6, and you go. Drop, drop, lift, drop, switch. Drop, drop, lift, drop, switch. Drop, drop, lift, drop, drop, switch. And drop, drop, lift, drop, drop, lift, drop, switch. Drop, drop, lift, drop, drop, lift, drop, switch. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, switch. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. A little bit more challenging, this one. You can do it though. Drop, drop, lift, drop, lift, drop, drop, lift, drop, switch. Drop, drop, lift, drop, drop, lift, drop, switch. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, switch. And switch. And switch. And switch. And switch. Switch. Down here. And switch. Left. Right. Left. Drop, drop, lift, drop, lift, drop, drop, lift, drop, lift, drop, drop, lift, drop, switch, drop, drop, lift, drop, switch. Woo! Oh, I know that was a little bit more challenging at the end, but that was fantastic. So keep practicing those drills, and anytime you have any suggestions, you can put comments in the description and I'm gonna respond. Have a wonderful week, wonderful day. Wonderful minute, wonderful hour. Okay, bye.